Hello learners, greetings from Isaac Learn, well known for better education and better careers. This is your friend and host Mayank Batra for your digital marketing program, and today we'll be learning about Web Analytics, also known as Google Analytics. Now, in this session, we'll be focusing on A, what is analytics, and B, the origin of Google Analytics. So let's get started. What exactly is analytics? Now, when we hear the word analytics, we can resemble it from the word data or some statistics. Yes, it is the same thing. Analytics actually helps us to get insights, giving us the data to make decisions. Now, let me give you the word-to-word definition and understanding of what an analytic is. If you have a website or a business on social media platform and you want to get the insights for yourself, for your boss, for your client, and these analytics are going to help you get those data. The first ever thing you got to do is set up the realistic goals. Realistic goals not just for your business, but also the realistic expectations from those analytical tools. Now, goals could be like either increasing the traffic on your website or increasing the sales. Now, according to Wikipedia, analytics is the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in the data. Now, it also entails applying data patterns towards effective decision making, as I just said a few moments back. Now, let's talk about Google Analytics. How was it born and what are the various things we can learn from it? Let me tell you one secret here. Google Analytics is free and you can leverage it to a good extent. Up to 10 GB of data it's free, but then it's one of the most beautiful resource a digital marketer could have. Google Analytics is actually a free website tracking tool and a platform that collects the data of the users who interact with your website. Now wait a minute, let me compare it with the real-time world. Somebody is coming to your website and you're tracking them, right? But then if somebody is coming to your real-time brick and mortar business, your showroom, your shop, what all things can you track? Their movements in your shop through CCTV camera or through your bare eyes, or their mobile numbers at max, right? These are the things that you can know about them, including their name, of course, if you know them or you ask them. But in Google Analytics, there is ample of things that you can track and make a decision out of it. Let me share step by step all the things that you would learn. The data could be like the source from where the user has come from, the time spent on your website, their behavior, what are they doing on your website, what all things they have purchased, and so on. A free to use tool up to 10 GB of data, which is like almost infinite, and with a quite impressive integration of third-party tools features as well. Now, let's talk about the origin of Google Analytics, how actually it was born and how it evolved. So let me tell you, Google did not launch or initiated this tool. We'll come to that. Yeah, that's a surprise. Few years back, websites data was very tough to gather and read. They used to use the server log files every now and then to get the understanding of who has visited your website, and they used to then compile and make a decision which used to take a lot of time, money and energy. But now there came a company known as Urchin, U-R-C-H-I-N. It was a data-based company that started this process of gathering the entire data and making sensible reports out of it in a limited period of time. And this company catered a lot of attraction towards them. And ultimately, they compelled a brand like Google to acquire them. The acquisition by Google happened in 2005, and since then, it was named as Google Analytics. This particular tool, this particular entire company's software was named as Google Analytics that we will be learning practically by the end of this module. And trust me, Google Analytics is my personal favorite. Now, let's talk in more detail about Google Analytics' origin. With the rise of internet and device usage, millions of users visit millions of websites on a daily basis. On an average, we all visit 3 to 4 websites, right? Now, the data is now so precious and valuable that the companies have now started building their net worths on it. Now, I don't need to remind you the Cambridge Analytica case or Google selling the database or European Commission fining the Google every year with 3 to 4 billion euros just for manipulating the search feeds according to the data they analyze, according to the user they track. Yes, these are all real stuff. People are trading data. People are making money, making empires based on data. You know why? Because we, my dear friend, are living in the age of information, in the age of technology. And in this era of information and technology, data is a gold mine. Now, let me share the entire process of how Google Analytics actually works. Let me share some keywords that might click you that we have used in the previous sessions. Cookies, remember that? Affiliate marketing. Plugins, remember that? WordPress. Tags, we can use it in WordPress and other features as well. Now, these all are a part of Google Analytics as well in their own manner. Remember these words and recall them as per your convenience. And let me tell you that these all are a very vital part of Google Analytics. You can connect the website with your Google Analytics tool and voila, data starts coming in as per the website's interactions. This is all Google Analytics was all about. I hope this session was fruitful to you guys. Let's see you in another session. Till then, happy learning.